great betrayal from Trump's lawyer. John Eastman, a lawyer who created legal strategies for former President Trump, recently testified that he was only defending his client in the indictment in Georgia, where his name was mentioned as an accomplice. Eastman notes that lawyers are ethically obliged to defend their client. However, this defense is not accepted by former White House counsel Jim Schultz, who has previously done legal work for Trump. Speaking on CNN Primetime, Schultz, while evaluating this argument of Eastman, emphasized that there is a difference between passionate defense and being involved in decriminalizing activity. According to Schultz, Eastman will have a hard time with his arguments on this issue while defending attorney-client privilege. There is a growing anxiety among Donald Trump's co-defendants in the Georgia election interference case about who will be the ones to betray each other. December. These defendants may lose their sleep, he noted. They're already having a hard time trusting each other, and Rudolph Giuliani could be next, he commented. O'Donnell also addressed reports that Giuliani, Trump's former lawyer, had traveled to Georgia to hold talks with Fulton County Attorney General Fani Willis. It is a matter of curiosity whether Giuliani will surrender or take a stand against his former client. But there is a growing mood of anxiety and panic, not only for Giuliani, but also for many of the defendants. Defendants in criminal cases often have a distrust of each other, and it seems that this situation will continue, O'Donnell said. It can be said that many of the defendants were worried about who would take the next step. The first two photos of Trump's detention in Georgia related to the election interference case have been released by Fulton County officials. John Eastman, the lawyer with unusual theories at the center of Trump's attempts to change the 2020 presidential election results, turned himself in on Tuesday and was released on $100,000 bail. Photo provided by the Fulton County Sheriff's Office. John Eastman, Trump's former lawyer, is seen as he is taken into custody during his arraignment on Tuesday in Atlanta. On the same day, bail bondsman Scott Hall, who was charged with the violation of voting machines in Coffee County, Georgia, also turned himself in to the police. Hall was released on $10,000 bail. The Fulton County Sheriff's Office released Hall's custody photo, taken Tuesday in Atlanta. Former President Trump is expected to turn himself in at Atlanta's Fulton County Jail on Thursday. He had not been photographed at Trump's three previous accusers, but it is thought that this situation will change this week. Fulton County Sheriff Pat Labat noted that there will be no special treatment for the former president. Regardless of your status, we will have a photo waiting for you, Labat said in a statement earlier. In the Georgia case, 19 people, including Trump, have been charged and asked to turn themselves in by Friday. The indictment, based on an investigation led by Fulton County Attorney Fani Willis, alleges that Trump and other defendants violated state law with a large-scale plan to change the 2020 presidential vote in Georgia and elsewhere.